everyone, it's Natasha. In today's video, I wanted to review Code Rocket. This was another product that I got from Timberdoodle in my big haul. Well, it was two. I'll leave those links down below as well. So this is super cool because it comes in a small little package, but don't be confused. What this offers is a ton. So this has a separate component, which is the online program. So when you get this set up, you actually download the app on your computer and you work the program through that. In Code Rocket, there are 21 different projects that you will go through, and it walks you through the setup with videos. So if you're completely new to coding and you don't even know how to set something up, it just lays it all out there through words and videos so you can see exactly how to get it set up. It tells you and shows you exactly how to download the software that you need. And then the lessons walk you step by step with what you need to do, starting with the basics of just understanding what coding is and turning on a light on your little Code Rocket to way more advanced lessons, which I'll show you in just a second when I flip around the camera. So in this little box, you get some cards, and it's get started and void setup, PIN code or PIN mode, input pull up. These are the different, I kind of think of these as vocabulary cards, if you will. And then you have the actual little rocket as well. So let me turn this camera around and show you how this works. Okay, so you get this retractable USB cable and the little Code Rocket itself. Something to know is if you do have an Apple computer, you will need an adapter. I already had adapters on hand because for the USB cable. So it doesn't come with the adapter. It comes with the USB cable. But if you're a Mac user like myself, you might need an adapter. So, and then we have the little rocket itself, and the different codes that you will do will light up different things and do different things. But the program walks you through everything. And it walks you through step by step with videos how to set it up and test it. And then you just start working through the projects. You do want to work them one at a time in order. And so you're going to click Start Project. And then the first project is where you're going to learn how the code works. Basically, you get a walkthrough video with a challenge. So the challenge in this case is changing what light is being lit up by changing something in your code. But it tells you what to do because it says to change the number in the pin mode and digital write functions. But then that's easy. That part is easy. But then it explains to you the concepts behind what you're doing. So you're getting used to the code editor in this project. And then you have some vocabulary here. And at the end is a little quiz, which is so cool. So this is amazing, right? And then you can try the bug hunt. And then this tells you how the bug hunt works and the buggy code. And so you're trying to find the problem basically. And then you can go back to the project or to the next project. And so these projects do get more difficult as you go. But they follow the same format where you have the code itself that you're going to manipulate, and that changes what your little Code Rocket is doing. The walkthrough video, the challenges, the concepts, and the quiz. Now it's meant for you to click these, but if you want to have more than one child use this, you could simply just not click those, and that's basically what we are doing. So we've got setup and test, rocket light, rocket boosters. It also gives you a little synopsis of what you're going to be doing. You're going to light the booster rocket LEDs in unison to learn about combining code statements. The third lesson is rocket headlight blink. Keep going with coding basics, turning on and off one of the rocket headlights. Blink blasters. Blink the rocket's laser blasters in unison. Speaker beeper. Test the basic audio messaging center on Code Rocket with a beep. Morse code part 1, SOS LEDs. Combine blinks to send out a save our ship message through space on the LED lights. Morse code part 2, SOS sound waves. Send out sound waves with the save our ship message in Morse code. Morse code part 3, light and sound. Combine lights and sounds to reach any audience looking for your message. 9, Morse code part 4, variables. Make it easy to write and tweak Morse code messages and speeds. Lesson 10, Morse code part 5, button beeps. Now that you're a Morse code pro, use the buttons to beep out messages in real time. Lesson 11, blaster buttons. Learn to blast your lasers on command to break up your space debris. Number 12, random tones. If your signals get garbled by a black hole in space, you may end up with some jumbled signals like these. Random LEDs. Even astronauts need to relax sometimes. Create a light party in deep space. Lesson 14, basic blaster sound effects. Lasers need a great sound effect. Code them in. Number 15, countdown to takeoff sequence. When the big moment comes for takeoff, all systems must be tested and the countdown sequence begins. Number 16, deep space headlights. Latch your headlights on to look out for what's ahead. Lesson 17, booster fade. Warm up or cool down your boosters with tricks to fade the LED lights. Lesson 18, LED circle cycle. Your circle of LEDs can be used for many things, signals, status updates, or just cool patterns. Lesson 19, advanced blaster sound effects. Take your blaster sound effects to the next level with your latest technological skills. Lesson 20, button cycle LED circle. Combine your knowledge of variables, loops, and statements to control your LED circle. And lesson 21, hack the code rocket. No instructions here, just a fun program with lots of features for you to explore and hack. So I hope that gave you an idea of what Code Rocket is like. It is for ages 8 and up. I am having fun with this myself, so literally 8 through adult. For anybody who is new to coding, this is a perfect introduction to coding. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. I'm going to leave a link down below to the Timberdoodle website where you can find this. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you love all things homeschool.